Hi, my name is Jeff Rousseau, representing Heat and Control at the Gulfood Trade Exhibition. In short, we are a company in existence since 1950, so we're celebrating our 75th birthday this year. We are an engineering company with our foundations in the design, manufacture, installation and commissioning of turnkey food processing plants. We are probably best known for savoury snack solutions, although we're involved in various protein solutions. Wherever we can add value to your product, we are keen to speak to you. Gulfood has always been a very successful exhibition for us. It's grown in leaps and bounds, and we're always glad to be back. At this exhibition, we're only exhibiting a seasoning system, a new patented combination or cohesive unit of technologies, where we show how we season potato chips specifically. The latest developments come as a result of industry demands, be it newer, more spicy flavors, be it more natural flavors, also driven by the need for less dust and possible allergen concerns in plants. So we're showing our potential customers and existing customers how we control all these demands from industry, as well as give a better solution in terms of seasoning coverage, side to side on a chip, as well as deviation between chips. It's our pleasure to talk to you today, and we wish all exhibitors all the best.